Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. As you see, our menu is ready, but it is not responsive. It means when I make it smaller, I can't see it. And it is pushing our menu down like this. Let's make it our menu responsive. So I need to add a couple of things in our project. One of them is input, checkbox, and ID. Checkbox, you can assign any ID, it is up to you guys. And label checkbox, I need to give the same name, ID, and for because it is going to create relation between them. And I need to add a class for that one. Responsive button. I want to use the icon to show it up on our browser when we open our web page on our mobile phone. When I click that icon, it will show up our menu at below side. I am going to use Font Awesome icons for you guys. Let me show how we can use Font Awesome in our project. I just need to add a link here. Let's find Font Awesome CDN link. Font Awesome CDN. Let's copy and save it. If I want to use any icon from Font Awesome, I just need to click the icons and type whatever you want. Let's say menu. We see the bars. I just click it and let's copy and paste it here and save it. Let's have a look at our project. You see guys, that is the icon. So and that is our checkbox. Let's assign CSS to our checkbox and icon. First I want to add CSS to our responsive button. Font size 30 pixels. Save it. Let's make it process smaller. And color white. You see guys, you can change view of the icon like this. Float right, because I want to show that icon at right side. You see it is at right side. And line height 80 pixel and margin right 40 pixel and cursor pointer and display none and save it. Let me disable that one. You see, we see our icon when we see our menu normal, but I don't want to see that icon. That's why I am using display none. Let's assign CSS to our checkbox ID. That one. Let me change that ID name little bit to prevent any confusion. Checkbox ID, and we need to make it the same name, checkbox ID. Let's assign CSS to our ID. I just need to put hashtag and our ID name. Display none and save it. You see, we don't see the checkbox anymore. Let's change our view of menu when we open the project on our mobile phone or tablet. We just need to add media as we did before in our previous project. Maximum width 952 pixels and calibrate. Label my logo, font size 30 pixels and padding left 50 pixels and save. Let's assign CSS to our A tag. Now ULLIA because A is under LI and LI is under UL. UL is under now. That's why we use like this. Font size 16 pixels. I want to add another screen size guys. Media maximum width and calibrate. I want to add CSS to our responsive button. Display block. We see our button. UL position fixed with 100%, height 100 VH, it means full screen, and background color blue but a light blue. Let's change the color here, and top 80 pixel, left 100 pixel but minus because I don't want to show it set straight away. I changed that value when you click the button text align, center, and transition all 04. And let's save it. We don't see anything. You see guys, something happening here, but it will be show up when I click the our button. Let's assign CSS to our A tag. Now ULLIA, font size 20 pixel, and I need to add a hover effect. Hover, background color RGB 5757 and color white, and save it. We can't see anything at the moment because we can't see the menu, but we will see the menu in a minute. I just need to add another CSS to our checkbox ID. Checkbox ID check, it means our checkbox check, and I need to use that sign and UL calibrate and left 0 and save it. Let me click menu. You see guys, when you click the menu, it's showing itself. That value is making this appear. When you click to that one, it is just making left 0 and changing our UL position. But we don't want to see the our menu like this. Let's assign CSS to li. Now UL li and display block margin 50 pixel 0 and line height 30 pixel, and save it and check our web page. You see guys, our menu is looking just amazing. Let's make it wider. We don't see our icon. We see the icon. That's all for now. By the way, please let me know what you think about tutorials guys. I value your feedback. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.